What's up everyone? I want to do a quick update video today on Compound Protocol. Now I made a video on these guys about a week ago now, and tomorrow is going to be the pre-sale. So I just thought I'd do a quick update video to let you know kind of about the pre-sale and what they've been up to since. Because in the last week they put, if you just go onto the Telegram and start scrolling through the pinned messages or on the announcements on the Discord, you'll see they've been doing tons of calls, tons of AMAs. Then I've got 2 different audits, contract audits done. They've really been putting the work in. They've managed to grow their Telegram and Discord communities to over 5,000 now, and there's still some kind of last minute giveaways and some last minute calls, so I'm sure it's going to grow even more before the pre-sale tomorrow. Now, information on the pre-sale, it's going to be over on Pink Sale, and it's going to have 500 BNB hard cap, which is, for one of these projects, it's relatively low. I'll just give you an example of a few days ago, a project launched called Yieldzilla, which had about 8,500 strong community, and those guys managed to fill 8,000 BNB in literally a couple of minutes. So 500 BNB hard cap for one of these projects is really low. So obviously it's going to give you if you can manage to get in to the pre-sale, obviously gives you a huge opportunity to make more X's basically. And yeah, so the pre-sale is tomorrow. It's a 500 BNB hard cap and a 2.5 BNB max contribution. Now you do need a whitelist for this, so I suggest if you head over to their Telegram, they've got a few different last minute giveaways. They've got an AMA coming with Futures Lounge soon. So if you go over there and listen, you have a chance to win. I'm sure there'll be a couple of other last minute chances to win yourself a whitelist as well. If you don't get a whitelist, basically how it's going to work is they're going to open the pre-sale up to the whitelisted people for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes they'll open up for the public. So if that 500 isn't filled, then even if you don't have a whitelist, you can still have a chance. And if it doesn't fill, then obviously you've got to wait for launch. But yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick update video there today to let you know what's going on with these guys. So go over onto the Telegram, join, check out all the last minute ways to win yourself a whitelist. And yeah, so that's it for today guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time. Bye.